Pwede ka mag... Pwede ka mag-edit. No, pwede ka mag-edit. Diba? Pwede yun. SR.
Thank you for liking.
Manalo ka, screenshot mo din, send mo sa TikTok page natin, which is Alpha Meta.
Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday, Jay. Hope you have a great birthday today. Thank you for liking the stream. Oh my god. Reach 100 like na already. I have 9 minutes more before I end the live. Should I end the live already? Or should I wait for it to reach 1 hour? Hello, Max. How are you, Max? Hello, everyone. I can't see, Princess.
Okay, guys. 1v1 SR tayo dito base na. 1v1 SR.
Akala ko.
Ang manalo may matatanggap na premium, which is small amount of seed.
I have 9 minutes more to reach 1 hour. Hi, James. Welcome to live. Hello, Ricky. How are you, Ricky? Welcome, everyone. Welcome.
Okay, guys, ang mga bagong pasok natin. Mga bagong pasok na lenses.
Hello. Well, don't forget me.
Bigyan ko na mga lang. For lang na. For lang para tayo para manalo yung kalam. Para manalo yung kalam. Hindi kami nagpapag for. SR or S2 lang.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Next live, guys. Abangan nyo, guys. May na next live pa tayo dito, guys. Lumabas na yung pala. Iba na nga lang ginagawa ko, diba?
I have 7 minutes more. Tap the screen. Help me reach my quota. Help me reach my quota, guys.
Small amount of seed. Again, ang manalo, guys, small amount of seed. Hindi pa naging ko na yun. Huwag ka naman kasi magpala. Parang hindi naman ako nagwawala naman kasi ng yeah.